goodness, Karissa, you look so cute. Okay, guys, look how adorable my little adventurer is. Okay, this is her little airplane. Okay, so we've got, she made this out of a box. These are, look at her. Okay. I know. This is an open cockpit. Here is her wheel. I gotta show them your wheel. That's your steering wheel, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, so is this your seatbelt?
No. This is where I can flap my wings.
Oh, that's your, so you can flap your wings. Can you demonstrate, please? Fly your airplane, please. Ready for takeoff.
No, not ready.
Not ready yet? Okay. So she's preparing for takeoff. And where will this plane be landing today?
To California.
Okay. We're at in California.
Washington.
Washington. Okay.
Or Chuck E. Cheese.
Chuck E. Cheese?
Hawaii.
Or Hawaii. Okay, so she's going to go to California, Washington, Chuck E. Cheese, Hawaii. All right, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, help us count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take off. Go! Wow. Look at her go, y'all. Keep going, fly higher, keep going. Now she's gliding. Woohoo! Now she's starting to steer. Super cute. Children, they amaze me just how they can come up with the smallest thing, like such as a box, and be so creative.
See the buttons?
The buttons? Oh, do you want to tell us what the buttons are for?
To push where you can go.
Oh, okay. So here are her buttons.
These are not buttons.
Okay,
These
so
are
what
just,
are the buttons for?
to land too.
To land?
To land and do the windshield.
Oh, okay. Super.
It has glass in front of me.
That's right.
Like somewhere there.
All right, guys.
Well, I have to press the button where it can go.
That's right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Guys, let me show you the buttons.
Yes.
I keep it in the box. Hang on. Wait, hold on.